In this video, I'm going to walk you through competitor analysis dashboard that I built using n8n and Reddit data. This dashboard allows me to get a better understanding of the competitor landscape for a specific brand, to provide them a better marketing strategy based on what is happening and what people like and don't like about a specific brand. I use Reddit data because every day there are many conversations in subreddits happening that people talk about what they like and they don't like about a specific brand. And if you're a marketer, you might find it very hard to go through subreddits and look at what people like and don't like and analyze what should be done to improve for the product and the marketing strategy. With this workflow, we actually get hundreds of this information, use AI to analyze them, and get a better insight and actionable recommendation on what to do next. Let's have a look at how I built this workflow. I started this workflow with a webhook, and then I have an AI node that has a specific brand where I get the brand name and industry. And then here, once I get the subreddit from that brand, I'll send it to Reddit API. And once I fetch the information from subreddits, then I ask AI to analyze this information for me based on what I'm looking for. So here is the prompt that I'm saying that you're an analyst. Now analyze the information based on the brand, industry, and the information you got from subreddit, and then store them in the database. I'm using Supabase for database, and I'm using Lovable for building the front end. And here is the input. So here, if I put Homo as the brand and start analyzing, I can go here and then it's start executing on the backend. It's all integrated together. So the request from the front end goes to the backend and it's start running. In the meantime, I have here some of the past research I did on different brands. And as you can see here, there is a great opportunity for understanding of what people talk about a specific brand. For example, they are talking about the packaging of the Dior brand and what they like about it and what are the other competitors that people talk about that allow marketers to put a better strategy on where to double down on their marketing aspect and even where to improve on their product. For example, here in Swarovski's case, people are complaining about the stone falling out, and that's something that if Swarovski's team be aware of that, they can improve in their product, and also they can see what people like or don't like about their competitors, and they can have a different marketing strategy on what to promote in terms of their marketing and win in the market based on the feedback that they're getting from the users in Reddit discussions. I put Poma here. Poma is appearing here because it's finished nearly. Okay, sometimes it takes longer to show us, but actually it's already done in the backend. The display takes longer. You can see here in the first step, I send the brand and industry, and it identified the subreddit for me. And then we moved from there to get the discussions in that specific subreddit. And then we send that data to AI again. And AI provide the analysis on based on all the subreddit that we send that. And we see now the data for Homo. And it's interesting, the competitive landscape is around innovation-driven oligopoly with a strong product differentiation. Looks like boots are seen a competitive on traction and feel through durability and fit, and that can be varied based on the discussions that been found in Reddit. So that's how this competitor analysis workflow works. And this dashboard gives us insight for every specific brand that we work with. And this could be more than even a fashion. It could go to sport, fitness, beauty, and many, many other brands, especially like electric devices and appliances and so on. And there are so many discussions, even a stock market, because initially we built this for stock and crypto trading, and then we use that now for marketing purposes. So there are so many potential around this. If you like to have such a competitor analysis dashboard for your marketing team, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I'm always happy to explore how we can customize this solution for different teams. Find out from the link below how to contact with me, and I'm always happy to help anyone in the marketing, advertising, and sales teams.